Most people get this wrong, and it's ruining their sentences. If you say, substitute oil for butter, do you actually know which one ends up in the pan? In English, one word moves forward and the other moves backward. This is the hidden direction of your grammar. Imagine you are a coach. You have a player on the field and a player on the bench. You want to make a change. You have two choices. You can substitute or you can replace. They sound like the same thing, but in the world of English, they are mirror images of each other. Here is the secret code. When you use substitute, you start with the new thing. You substitute B for A. This means B is your new hero, and A is going home. But when you use replace, the order flips. You replace A with B. You start with the old thing and bring the new one in. It's the same result, but a completely different direction. Substitute the new, replace the old. If you mix these up, you aren't just making a mistake. You're telling your brain to drive on the wrong side of the road. Next time you're in the kitchen, get the direction right, or you'll end up with a very strange cake.